and then the other ends is a brush. One end was spatula and the other end is a brush. So let's open laminate first. The laminate is so beautiful and it's so perfect. It's glow in the dark too. So I am going to pick a smaller, like a medium size. It really depends. If you're doing a shorter nails, you are going to pick a less amount of the velvety gels. And then keep in mind, this is really cool that if you feel like you are getting over or too much of your velvety gel, you can definitely remove it, or you can add more if you feel like it's not enough. And also, velvety gel is so light, easy to work with, and it's salt level. Okay, so I'm submerging my velvety gels brush into the beige gel, and we're gonna do it just really like tuck it in the cuticles area and keep your bristles nice and like flat, parallel to the nails. How's everyone doing? Happy Thursday. All right. You see how easy it is? It's really like salt level and it blends so well. Especially when using the spazzle with the beige gels, Glitz beige gels. This is compatible, and this is spazzle. Keep the velvety gels and the nails is nice, long lasting, flexible. Taper in inside. Perfect for beginners. It's not, I'm saying it's not like a beginner. It can be for like a lot of people are in the nail industry for so long, and you're looking for another options for your service and alternative way. Okay, so here for 60 seconds. I'm loving it. 1 second. There you go.